Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making Frico. What is Frico? Frico is another way of saying those Parmesan crisps that you would buy at the market. But did you know that you can make them so easily in your own kitchen, saving that cost and adding in whatever cheeses you want? It could be cheddar, it could be Parmesan, it could be asiago, it could be pecorino, romano, be whatever you want. You could also add in whatever spices you want on top. So much flexibility and so much cheaper. And you know what is going into them, which makes it even better. I'm also making them because I know I'll never buy these at the market again because I can make them in my own kitchen. I know I'll never buy these ever again. Bake them, bake them, bake them with me because I'm making this for the very first time with you. So bake along with me. Super fast, super easy, going to be super good. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Second thing you want to do, get your cookie sheet ready, put some parchment paper down, and get 2 of them ready to go. Just remember, your version of Frico or your crisp could be with whatever cheese you want. I'm just using Parmesan. Using a tablespoon, we're going to go ahead and scoop mounds and put them on the cookie sheets. Doesn't have to be exact. We're going to spread them out. Press down each mound to flatten, and it's okay if there are holes. That is okay. Add a little pepper or whatever you want. Into the oven for only 4 to 6 minutes until they're golden and crisp. They're looking golden. Woo! Oh my. All right, beware of that with your kitchen and your oven. Let them cool, oh my goodness. Let them cool on your baking sheet and then you have your crisps. Slide them off onto your plate. Look at this lovely Frico Parmesan crisp. I definitely made these a little thin, so if you want to keep yours thicker, you can. And I also recommend that you keep this golden color. A couple of mine got a little bit darker, and you can kind of tell in the taste. So keep yours light because they will be delicious. Let's give it a quick bite. Delicioso! These are delicious. It's Parmesan cheese. How could it not be? So again, just feel free to put on whatever you like. On top of it, I added the pepper. You could add a little bit cayenne, make them a little spicy. You could crumble these up, put them on top of a salad. Eat them by themselves as a snack. You could eat these with the side of wine. That sounds good. Or anything else you so desire. It could be a side plate, could be the snack, could be the main dish. Doesn't matter, they are delicious. If I can make Frico, these Parmesan crisps, for the very first time in my life, with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram, and keep those recipe requests coming.